Hey guys, welcome back. Your front door is the first line of defense for your home, and choosing the wrong smart door lock can cost you more than just money. In this video, we've selected the best smart door locks that combine security, convenience, and reliability. We'll break down the key features you actually need so you can make the right choice with confidence. Let's get started. The first on the list is the WiseBolt V2 Smart Door Lock. The WiseBolt V2 Smart Door Lock delivers fast and secure entry with impressive precision. Its biometric fingerprint scanner unlocks the door in just 0.5 seconds, offering both speed and convenience. Moreover, the AI-powered self-learning technology improves accuracy over time by analyzing touch patterns, pressure, and angle. The durable tempered glass keypad resists scratches and smudges, maintaining a clean appearance even with frequent use. With support for up to 50 access codes and fingerprints, it easily accommodates families and guests. Additionally, the anti-peep keypad feature enhances privacy by allowing extra digits before or after the correct code. Control and flexibility stand out as key strengths. Built-in Wi-Fi enables remote management through the Wise app, while compatibility with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant supports voice commands. Users can choose fingerprint access, keypad codes, app control, or traditional keys. The auto-lock timer prevents accidental security lapses, and tamper alarms deter unauthorized attempts. Battery life lasts up to 8 months using 8 AA batteries with a USB-C emergency power port for backup. However, limited third-party ecosystem support may restrict broader smart home integration. Overall, the WiseBolt V2 Smart Door Lock is a reliable, feature-rich smart lock worth considering. At number 2, we have the UltraLock U-Bolt Pro Smart Door Lock. The UltraLock U-Bolt Pro Smart Door Lock stands out as a powerful and versatile 8-in-1 keyless entry system designed for modern homes. It features a 360 degrees AI-powered fingerprint ID that unlocks in just 0.3 seconds with impressive accuracy. In addition, users can access the door via keypad, smartphone app, auto unlock, web portal, voice control, e-keys, or mechanical backup keys. Built-in Wi-Fi allows direct connection to a 2.4 GHz network without requiring an extra hub. The included door sensor enhances security by confirming door status and triggering smart auto lock when the door closes. Security and durability are equally impressive. The lock meets American National Standards Institute Grade 1 commercial standards, offering up to 35 times the strength of standard residential locks. Furthermore, its IP65 rated weatherproof construction resists dust, rain, heat, and cold. The anti-peep keypad protects passcodes, while door left open alerts and real-time notifications provide added peace of mind. Smart home compatibility with Alexa and Google Assistant. Installation is simple and takes about 10 minutes with just a screwdriver. Powered by 4 AA batteries, it offers up to 1 year of battery life with low battery alerts and micro USB backup power. Overall, UltraLock U-Bolt Pro Smart Door Lock is a secure, intelligent, and highly recommended smart lock solution. At number 3, we have the Eufy FamiLock S3 Max Smart Door Lock. The Eufy FamiLock S3 Max Smart Door Lock offers a modern and secure solution for home entry. Its standout feature is the advanced palm vein recognition system, which delivers 99.9% accuracy and unlocks the door in just 0.6 seconds. This technology scans the unique vein patterns inside the palm, making it extremely difficult to copy or forge. Additionally, all biometric data is stored locally on the device, which enhances privacy and security. The lock also supports multiple unlocking methods, including keypad entry and smartphone control, providing convenient access for every member of the household. Another impressive aspect is its built-in 2K HDR camera and video doorbell. The camera uses a bright 1.6 lens and a 150 degrees wide-angle view to capture clear footage of visitors and packages, even at night. Furthermore, the rear lock video screen allows children or elderly users to check the front door instantly without using a mobile app, making it very user-friendly. The dual power system provides up to 4 months of battery life with an emergency AAA battery backup. However, the main drawback is that the device is quite expensive. Overall, the Eufy FamiLock S3 Max Smart Door Lock is a powerful all-in-one security solution worth considering. Coming up next, we have the Philips Wi-Fi Smart Door Lock. The Philips Wi-Fi Smart Door Lock offers a reliable and convenient way to upgrade home security. It combines modern technology with simple, everyday usability. This smart lock allows users to control and monitor their door remotely through the Philips Home Access app. As a result, homeowners can lock or unlock the door from anywhere, while also receiving real-time notifications and activity history. The included Wi-Fi bridge adapter ensures a stable connection and enables compatibility with voice assistants such as Alexa and Google Assistant. One of the most impressive features is the high-precision fingerprint recognition system. The lock can identify a fingerprint with up to 99.99% accuracy and unlock the door in just 0.3 seconds. However, it also offers multiple unlocking methods for flexibility. Users can access the door through the mobile app, PIN codes, voice commands, or a traditional mechanical key. Furthermore, the smart auto lock feature can be adjusted between 30 and 180 seconds, ensuring the door always locks automatically. Security and access control are also well designed. The app allows users to generate temporary or scheduled PIN codes for guests, family members, or service technicians. Overall, the Philips Wi-Fi Smart Door Lock is a practical, secure, and smart solution that many homeowners will appreciate. The last one on our list is the Yale Assure Lock 2 Smart Door Lock. The Yale Assure Lock 2 Smart Door Lock is a modern smart lock designed to improve both convenience and home security. It features a built-in fingerprint scanner that unlocks the door in less than 0.5 seconds with around 99% accuracy. Because a fingerprint is unique, users never have to worry about losing keys. The lock also includes a backlit keypad for PIN entry and supports remote access through the Yale Access app. This smart lock provides several ways to unlock the door, making it flexible for different users. Homeowners can use their fingerprint, a personal passcode, the Yale Access app, or the included backup key. Furthermore, the auto unlock feature detects when the user approaches the door and unlocks automatically, which is especially helpful when carrying groceries or bags. The lock also includes an auto lock function, ensuring the door secures itself after a set period of time. However, one drawback is the short low battery warning lead time, which may require quick battery replacement. Overall, the Yale Assure Lock 2 Smart Door Lock is a smart, reliable, and convenient security upgrade worth considering.